Hello, good evening and welcome back everyone. So in this video we'll be discussing about tomorrow, that is 21st June, Nifty and Banknifty trade plan and trade strategy. So first of all, let me tell you about this. This is in this channel there are three playlists which you can see here in this trend trading channel. With almost more than here we have 25 plus videos. Here we have 8 and 3 video, which is the current trend trading brand for which the videos is being done day in and day out every day. So very important, this 8 videos, these are must watch for every trader. If you are trading in the market, especially on the stock market, this is must watch video playlist. More than 8 hours of content. You can make sure the link is available in the description. You can watch in the video and make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. So let's start. First of all, let's see what happened on today's session, whether any of the trade plan came in or whatever it worked out or what happened today. And also in the live market support on the telegram was repeatedly guiding about don't get trapped, because market is not in a mode to give any aggressive momentum. But even have a check over here. Just a small clip. It's a slow start for the week in the index, with price trading inside the TT band. I will come to the what happened based on the band. Okay. And one more, this is very important message. These are very important message which comes in the live market. I time to wait as a price is rotating around VWAP, especially for a directional trader and an option buyer. Just have a look at this. When I was mentioning it's somewhere time around 11 a.m. right? Look at this. What is happening? Morning aggressively price coming down with red color candles. So this will just attract retail traders to take a downside bearish trade blindly without any secondary thought. But if a simple zoom out will tell us a real story, what is happening? Price one day before was overlapping, struggling, not aggressively moving up, not aggressively moving down. It was in a sideways mode. Yes, on today's session the price was coming down, it was trying to cross this sideways zone, but still it is inside yesterday's range. So it's a fantastic trap by the big players by showing red color candles and just reversing back up above the VWAP, triggering all those retail crowd stop loss. Once it is done, price slowly started overlapping. Somewhere around 11 a.m. I was messaged about it's high time to what? Just this is what how to follow the messages which I am trying to update. High time to wait as the price is rotating around VWAP. This red color line is the VWAP, especially for a directional trader and option buyer. Just look at what happened closely. When the price went up, came back to VWAP. Price went down, came back to VWAP. Again got rejected, again came back to VWAP. So is there any direction on the upside or the downside? No, right? A biggest question mark, because morning just a trap, making retail traders to trigger the stop loss. Just look at the big players game here. Morning looking at showing red and reversing back, triggering the stop loss. So most retail crowd who are just jumping to trade every day, every move, every tick, looking at candle color, and those who want to make everyday profit would have already earned a loss because of stop loss hunting. And then what is happening? Just look at this retail crowd mindset. They are in loss, so they will take further trade to recover that losses as an option buyer or a directional trader. So here what is happening? Price is fully sideways. Even if they are forcing themselves and taking trade, either stop loss would have triggered or option premiums would have dropped, and there was no clear up or no clear down move. So this will lead to more frustration of this morning retail trader who were lost. But what we were doing, we were more calm, relaxed, waiting, because there is nothing activities getting developed, and it was a slow start for the week. Always first day of the week and the last day of the week is very important, because first day of the week there will be weekend newses. So market might be aggressive on Mondays, but market was slow. That is what the update, somewhere around 9:26, right? This is the way you need to understand. There was no major trade based on the trade plan which I shared yesterday, and today as the market was pretty sideways, there was not much trade plan. This one simple plan on a 5-minute time frame, a close below 32,630, which I was expecting somewhere here below 32,630. This is what? This is 630 level, which I was expecting somewhere around 130 kind of a time. But what happened before the close? Price again reversed back to VWAP. This made me that this day is done. Nothing much there. Pure time pass and stop loss hunting of retail trader who want to trade every move. This was the live market update, right? So this is very important. This 2 stages. Before going on to the plan, I just thought to explain you the 2-3 important thing. Okay, based on the trade plan, we have not got any trade as market was overlapping and the direction was not clear. In trading, these are 2 stages of realities. To take trades and to protect capital from doing random trades. Today, with the help of TT ban, what market activity based on TT ban and based on market activity, what happened today? We have make sure to avoid random trades and avoid losing money just by forcing ourselves and taking a directional option buying trade or a directional trade when the market itself is overlapping. Clear? There are 2 stages. One is to take trade based on the trade plan and the outcome will be profit or loss, that is secondary, but take trade based on the trade plan. No trade plan worked out. None of the trade plan was giving any kind of trade. And one more beauty of this TT ban, none of the trade plan was giving any trade and the market was full sideways. So it has also escaped us from what? This is what I have told in the playlist of TT ban, when what? Not to trade as an option buyer or a directional trader. This is what TT band is more powerful. It's not only about trade. It's also about when not to trade. This is the stage 2, protect your capital from doing random trade. This is because of this second stage. I will tell you, almost 80% of retail traders easily lose money because of doing random trades. They have no idea how to protect capital, that end up losing more money. Don't believe me that I am telling an 80% ratio. Just sit back 5 minutes, close your eyes and think, so far how many random trades you would have taken. Random trades are different category. One, you would have faced a loss. To recover the loss, you would have taken a trade. Okay. Or else already you are facing a loss, and when the market is showing red color candle, chasing this price and taking a bearish trade, price will reverse back, trigger the stop loss. Without knowing how much is the risk, what will be the stop loss, blindly taking trades, looking at candle color is also called as random trades. There are many other, these are few. These are just I have told 2. Just sit back, close your eyes 5 minutes on a silent place and think, so far how many random trades you would have taken. The trades so far you would have taken, the maximum would be the random trades. That would have made you to face big losses. Or if you have not taken it, don't do by taking random trades. So let's quickly look at what happened on the today's range. So this is plan 1, which was updated price trying to auction here, and a pullback rejection was the plan, and I would have updated on the Telegram if there was any trade plan based trade if I am taking it. But here price rejected from the zone, first trade plan, no activity on the trade play based on trade plan 1. So here based on the trade plan 2, one price closed above this, but very important, this down move compared to this down move, this up move was just the bottom of the zone. Entire up, this red candles are continuously coming in. So better and best, what I would have more comfortable is price let it auction below, struggle, sellers who struggle, then the panic would have made the easy up move, which has not taken place. No problem. Just because the level is there, rejection, I am not taking trades because the broader market trend is on a daily time frame, it is clear bearish. Same applies here. This trade plan not even came because I was expecting price to come down, trade below it or trade above it, get a rejection, then for a short side, but price immediately made a U-turn, which was not in my favor. The next, this was price not even approached. So for tomorrow, quickly let me tell you the 2 trade plans for tomorrow's trading session. One, non Nifty closes 15,365. So before telling this plan, better let me explain the next plan that will be more beautiful. So close is 15,365 on future 5-minute time frame chart. So for me on the next trading session, what is important is, as the broader market trend is bearish, and for the past 2-3 trading session, Nifty is just overlapping. From where it is overlapping? After this aggressive down. After this aggressive down move, price is overlapping on the lower range of this aggressive down. This is the lower range of this aggressive down move. Here I'll be, if I'm whether I will plan a super bullish trade, as of now no immediate plan. Based on the market, during live market I would update in Telegram if there is any other bullish plan. As of now there is no bullish plan. Two plans. One is 15,430 is an important level. Important, this is M1 zone from the TT band. If above 15,340 and above level, if price trying to trade above it, try to go above it, and if it start getting exhausted, that is where below this I'll be more comfortable to take my bearish trade, or this exhaustion breakdown on a bearish trade, expecting minimum 350 and the below levels to be tagged very fastly, but only with a clear exhaustion. How to identify this exhaustion I will update during live market on the Telegram channel. So make sure everyone join the Telegram channel without fail. If anyone is feeling that I am explaining things faster, no problem, make sure to pause, rewind and watch the video, or in the YouTube there is a settings, there is a playback option where you can reduce the speed of the video and you can watch it slowly, because I don't want to make the video over lengthy, so you traders might get bored. So I'm making it crisp, quick and clean statement which is required. No nonsense, no time pass, no wasting your time. Okay, one more plan on the Nifty. This is if the market opens gap down. 32, 15,365 is right, is the close. If markets open gap down and trying to come down, here price either rotating above this and getting a rejection, or trying to trade below a pullback rejection, I'll be planning my bearish positions with expecting price coming below 15,175 to 180 and below levels. So how to identify the exhaustion and the pullback, that is what I'm repeating again and again. It will be updated to showcase you during live market, as today which I have shown when not to trade, how to stay away, how to protect capital loss and option buyer, today's example, because there was no more pure game of stop loss hunting in today's session, which capital protected. If the next session trade comes, I'll be updating if I'm taking trades as per the trade plan, if the risk reward is also favoring. Okay, so levels, you can mark down the levels, because during the live market on Telegram I might not update you the levels and give the trade which I am taking, because live market I personally also have to punch my orders in my broker terminal. So parallelly I can just guide you what is happening and just bang on the trade. I can't again and again repeat this level, it will waste the time and also might miss the trades which is coming in during live market. Okay, because in live market price doesn't stop for anyone. So very important, make sure to note this level, just mark this as a trade plan 2, and here the one plan I mentioned earlier, it is a trade plan 1. Okay, so Bank Nifty again same similar kind of an other option, because same scenario, aggressive down move, 3 days of so much overlapping. Here the any option buyer would have taken a directional trade. When I'm speaking about option buyer, I'm not talking about traders who want to catch 20 points, 15 points, 10 points. I'm speaking about a trader who is ready to catch 1:2. Like if 50 rupees is the risk in option, capturing 100 point, 120 point, 150 point, those kind of traders I'm speaking as an option buyer. I'm not speaking about any scalpers here who capture 10 point, 15 point. So in this option, most option buyer would have already got exhausted, lost money. But it's very important to wait for your plan, then execute. Okay, so for tomorrow, mark down this level 33,000 and above level. If price trying to go beyond this or trying to come to this zone, struggles, gets exhausted because broader trend is clearly down. If buyers have to come, first it has to consolidate straight away. It can't, price can't move up in this current scenario. Price overlapping, getting exhausted at higher levels, buyers getting exhausted, bang, straight back to 32,700 and 720 kind of a level very fast. More greater the exhaustion or a pullback, rejection, stronger the rejection, faster the move. How to understand and identify the exhaustion and rejection? I'll be updating you on the Telegram again during live, because live market is reality. Whatever plan I'm telling you is aftermarket, but how to react in the live market, that is what you have to learn, which I'm guiding you in the live market for free. So what I want from you is the support by liking the video, watching the video, understanding the concept, learning the concept which I am trying to share day in and day out, making the maximum use of the TT band. Okay. So the one more trade plan on Bank Nifty. This today I'll be sharing just 2 in Nifty and 2 in Bank Nifty, 4 trade plans. If price opens anything beyond outside the plan or outside the range, then I will be planning fresh trade plan or trade strategy during live market based on the price behavior, because TT band is purely a price behavior. So it's not like this level not came, sir, I will be not trading for the day. No, any downside levels and upside levels, that is where the price based live plans I personally create based on the current information or current data which I am getting from the live charts. Okay, so this is the last trade plan, 32,610 to 600. Mark down this level. 32,730 is the close. If price struggles here, gets exhausted, or a pullback, rejection, if the rejection is stronger after a flat opening or a gap down opening kind of a scenario, or probably a mild gap up, price coming down, pullback, rejection, so this will invite the price straight back to 32,300 or 350 kind of a levels. Again, finding exhaustion and rejection, I think I don't want to repeat again in the Telegram during live. Okay.